Morning! Nakabakasyon kami ngayon. So, ito yung isang hotel na dinaanan namin on the way sa bakasyon namin. Maganda din siya. This is by IHG. It's big and it's nice. Ito yung shower nila. Yan. I like how it is. Ganda ng pagka-set up. Yan. Ito yung breakfast nila. They have this one.
What time to get on the road? Did she say?
I'm gonna follow you.
This is oatmeal. They have eggs and they ito yung gusto ni Meiko. Yan, meron silang soy milk. This is good. Ako ng dalawa. Cool is here having breakfast. I got this one. This is nice. Ito siguro gusto ko to. I want this one. Put it first. So, this is my breakfast. Buti na meron silang soy milk. But this place is nice. Getting ready to check out. That's such a
No, it doesn't inspire you anymore, though. That was in New York.
We're in the mountain. Okay, checking out today. Ito yung mountain. Punta pa kami doon. I think mga 15 miles away from here yung i-travel namin. So, ito yung Avid na hotel by IHG. It was nice. Morning. It's 10:30 ngayon. It's been a while na hindi kami nakabalik dito. Ganda din. Ang dami din nila mga yung mga development. So, yun siya. Bago tong hotel na to by IHG. Okay guys, see you around. Drive na kami. Bye. So, balik kami ni Cool. My phone. Kailangan namin ng
It's windy.
Kailangan namin ng ice para sa travel. So, meron ice buckets dito na free. Nakita ko kagabi. So, muna. Kuha kami para at least lagyan ng mga yung ice box kasi namin. Lagyan namin ng soft drinks. Dito yung nila. Yung ice here. Okay, so they have buckets. Just get maybe 2 of those. Free lang yan. Yan. Tapos, i-fill mo. Lakas ah. We need 2. Thank you po. Maybe isa pa. I think we need 1. I'll bring the other one. Ayan. Okay, that's very good. Yan na yung ice. You got 2? Okay, perfect. Ilang ang ice. Then off we go. Bye for now, guys.